This is now Steve Spurrier Florida Field, and tonight the 25th ranked Gators open their season against the Minutemen from UMass. This place is electric, as you would expect, as the Gators come into this season with high expectations. Fourth down and 14, offense stays on the field. Interesting decision here. Comis over the middle, floats one, caught, first down UMass. They convert a 4th and 14 as Jalen Williams finds his first catch of the night, a gain of 24. Palmer into the backfield. Instead they give it to Young. He's got room on the edge, trying to turn the corner. It's a foot race and he's dragged down at the 6-yard. Second down 3. Pressure. Comis escapes it, sidesteps a man. He's in, and a UMass touchdown via the legs of Ross Comis.
Gator fans, we warned you about this young man's ability to run the football. I told you he had some shake and bake in him, and he made a Florida defender, Sherritt, look ordinary. Wow.
Firing one deep down the near sideline. Isabella the catch in Florida territory. Andy Isabella.
And look at this, they're loading up the backfield. Brian Cox Jr. in front of Thompson. Thompson hit behind the line.
I don't know that he got there.
What a stop by the UMass defense. The Gators take points off the board, and Deshaun Downey and company stuff them on 4th and 1. And he gets in touch, lost the football, it's on the field. Del Rio hit, ball's loose, and the quarterback able to cover it. Deshaun Downey forced it out of his hands. It's a loss of 10.
Downey has played an outstanding game.
Well, what an effort by UMass overall.